Freedom of speech. Even yesterday I was asked by a media anchor that freedom of speech is being muzzled. Some people have been arrested in the country. See, freedom is not a word that you must utter. Freedom is a consequence of responsible living. If you and me behave irresponsibly, first thing we will lose is our freedom. Isn't it so? Freedom is a bad word, you should never utter that. You talk responsible existence. Freedom will be a consequence. But the whole world has become goal-oriented. Everybody talks about the mangoes, nobody is interested in the tree. What bears mangoes? You must be… if you want mangoes, you must be interested in the soil, manure, root, water, sunlight. If you're interested in all this, mangoes will come. You're only interested in the mango, then you will only steal. Hello? I'm not willing to commit myself to the process of raising a mango tree. What will I do? I'll steal from your tree. Because I want mangoes, I've built up my desire for mangoes. So this freedom, too much talk. Wherever a society talks too much about freedom, it's going towards ruin. Freedom is not an aspiration. If you live responsibly, freedom will happen. So when you speak, is it not important that you speak responsibly? Hello? Right now, yesterday this question asked, this was I said. I will sit here and talk to these people that, we want to kill Sabya. Huh? How shall we kill him? With knife or with a iron rod or with a stone? How shall we kill him? We are talking, we are having conversation with you. And this is supposed to be freedom of speech? How is it freedom of speech? This is not freedom of speech. Somebody is planning. Whether they'll execute it or not, whether they're competent to execute it or not is another matter, but they have the intention. When somebody is talking this, if you think this is freedom of speech, this will head for ruin. Let us talk about responsible speech. Let us not talk about freedom of speech. Responsible speech. Stand up and speak what you want to speak. Don't hide somewhere and say something, whatever you feel like saying and say, I have freedom of speech. You have no freedom of anything when you hide under the table and say something. You stand up and say whatever you want to say. It's okay. But let me also have the freedom to respond to whatever you have said. No, if I say it'll become something, if you say it becomes freedom of speech, this is not going to work. We must talk about responsible speech, responsible action, even responsible thought. It's very important. Without responsibility, there will be no freedom. It'll be an empty word.
Thank you.